Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy ERC20 tokens in Trust Wallet. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And so to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to buy ERC20 tokens in Trust Wallet. After that, you can see right here the different options, but we are focusing in the first option. Right here, you can see the step-by-step process. Now, select the option right here, How to Buy ERC20 Guide. And right here, you can see the process. So the first one that you want to do is to download your Trust Wallet. Now, after that, we need to set up your Trust Wallet. And then, we need to buy Ethereum as a base currency. Now we have to send Ethereum from Binance to your crypto wallet. Now connect your wallet. And then trade your Ethereum with the coin you want to get. After that, if ERC20 doesn't appear, find its smart contract. And then finally apply the swap. And that's it. If you have questions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment at the comment section. Thank you for watching.